Hi, this is Eleanor Curry with the Curry Law Firm and coronaviruslegal.us, and I'm here sharing information and updates on COVID-19 and how we can anticipate it will impact our economy, legislation, small business, and of course our health. And we are still here addressing concerns swirling around the PPP loan forgiveness application. And today we are piggybacking on yesterday's focus on the application itself and talking about some potential safe harbors that can protect your loan forgiveness amount from being hit by a reduction. The first safe harbor we'll focus on addresses if you had to make any adjustments to wages or salaries due to the impact of COVID. For many employers, they made the decision to make an across-the-board adjustment as opposed to any widespread layoffs. If you took this option and were granted a PPP loan, your forgiveness amount would normally be reduced for any loan forgiveness based off of the reduction that was made that is more than 25% of those wages or salaries. When you're trying to apply this safe harbor, you're going to take a look at if you're going to restore an employee's pay. So to qualify, you're going to make sure that the wage or salary that took the reduction will be restored as of June 30th, 2020 to the same amount or greater than the wage as of February 15th of 2020 to avoid any reduction or forgiveness. The next safe harbor focuses in for the full-time employee equivalent or the FTE. And as we mentioned yesterday, this comes from line 7 of the application as well as the attached schedule. And it will take a look at full-time equivalent employees for the 8-week period you choose to review and compare it to one of the two, either February 15th to June 30th, 2019 or January 1st to February 29th, 2020. Again, in this scenario, you're going to take a look at the safe harbor date of June 30th, 2020 to see if you will restore the FTE to where it was as of February 15th, 2020. So what we know from the first part of line 7 that it addresses the full-time equivalent or FTD during the coverage period. And as you work through this calculation, it could be eye-opening to entrepreneurs because operations are drastically different pre-corona to what they were during the virus and even now. For some businesses, perhaps they retain staff, but due to pre-corona operations, maybe overtime that was available is no longer available. So when you're comparing payrolls, you may not be at the same levels due to no fault of your own. And you have to be very prudent because you want to make sure that you're thinking of not just operations now, but ongoing operations past even the 56-day period you're comparing to for the PPP forgiveness portion. You want to make sure that you're prepared and you're walking into this application fully understanding how it works because you have the choice of comparison periods and you want to put your business in the best life possible to make sure that you can utilize any safe harbors and get the full forgiveness potential that turns this loan into a grant. Now, make sure to stay tuned all week as we will continue to address concerns regarding the PPP loan forgiveness applications, as well as any documentation requirements that are also a part of the application. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to coronaviruslegal.us for additional updates to legislation and how the virus will impact you.